I'm gonna make some chicken wings. Chicken wings, not gonna fry the chicken wings. Why am I so excited for chicken wings that I don't have to fry? Because I have an amazing new product that I want to show y'all and fall in love with whatever I show you. Today the product is the NuWave Bravo XL air fryer oven. That's the NuWave Bravo XL air fryer oven. Let me tell you, people, I've been so excited to show off this product because I love fried chicken wings. Adore them with a little bit of paprika y un poquito de adobo y un sal y oregano y limón. But I'm trying to be healthier by not frying anything anymore. And I was dying for an air fryer, but I didn't have any space in my small kitchen, as you can tell. Not much counter space. So I didn't want to have a toaster oven and a toaster and then an air fryer. Enter the NuWave Bravo XL air fryer oven. So I'm gonna just get to work. I seasoned the chicken wings and I'm gonna show you all how the air fryer works in the NuWave Bravo XL. I'm gonna stop singing, I promise. Let me get to the work in the kitchen. Okay, so as I said, I have all the ingredients. I use adobo. Listen, I make my chicken wings like American Spanish style. So I use adobo. I use onion powder. I use some Dominican oregano. That's right. I use paprika. I use salt. I use limon. Season it really well. And this is what the chicken wings look like right now. There they are, ready for the NuWave Bravo XL air fryer oven. I haven't reminded you all lately. Subscribe. So before I put it into the NuWave, I actually want to show you the actual products. You ready? It's so exciting. So there it is, and it comes with 2 racks, as you can see. It also comes with a couple extra parts. This is the air fryer basket, and this is where you basically fry everything. This is what you put underneath the actual air fryer basket when you're air frying so that it catches all the drippings. This is where I toast my hash browns and my bread and bagels. This is it, because I don't need a toaster anymore. You're gonna be amazed at how fast this cooks. I was a little afraid. Listen, I'm super Latina, and you know, Latino people, at least in my family, they don't believe in frying anything or cooking anything unless it's pre-cooked, like seasoned, boiled in a little bit of water, covered. I decided not to do that because the whole point of the air fryer is that it's supposed to cook it thoroughly and fry it and make it crispy, and you don't have to do all that pre-cooking. I tried this once before and I'm still alive. So Latino people, mommy, if you're watching, it's okay. Things first, we're gonna open it. It's a little dirty. I have to clean it because I've used it often. This is, like I said, 2 racks. And then what you do is you put the oil greasy catcher thingy, which is what I'm calling it now because I forgot the name, right underneath. And then the air fryer, where you're gonna air fry, usually is always either on the top rack or you put it on the 3rd rack. I'd rather put it on the 3rd rack because if it's on the top rack, then it's gonna cook a little bit much faster than I want it to. And I wanna make sure that jammy is cooked. So we're gonna take the air fry basket. I am going to put some Palm Original Canola Oil Blend Spray because the first time I did this, the chicken wings did stick a little bit. And I like that crispy skin to go in my mouth, not in here. These are ready to go. So as you can see, this actually holds a lot. This is 1 pack of party wings, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 party wings. No, I'm not gonna eat 13 wings. I am not an animal, but they will be enough for leftovers. Now that it's ready, all I have to do is put it on the top rack. There it goes. Super easy. This will catch the drippings. It's already dripping because of all the seasoning I put in. I'm gonna clean this right now. So let's take a little interlude, shall we? Chicken wing in the air fryer, NuWave Bravo XL air oven, there's my baby's potty, potty, potty. And we're all clean. Now I'm gonna show you guys the actual settings to get this baby going. First, I gotta plug it in because you should unplug it. That's one of the things that they recommend. Unplug it. And I tend to unplug all my toaster ovens and little electronic gadgets besides my Alexa because I'm afraid that something's gonna catch a flame. This is the temp, right? And these are all the settings. Air fryer, reheat, waffle, bake, roast, pizza, broil, frozen, grill, dehydrate, toast, and bagel. And then this is all the little fancy buttons. Menu is how you select. I'm gonna show you. Temp is how you set the time. Sear is when you're searing, I don't know what stage is. I haven't used that. You preheat like an oven. Top, bottom is you can actually change the temperature from the top rack and the bottom rack if you don't want something to cook too fast and toast too fast without thoroughly cooking it. There's also the fan, of course. Probe is, they actually came with a little probe where you can test the temperature. I just don't have a thermometer yet, but trust me, I know how to cook this so I don't die. And then warm, light, delay, and of course on, off. So this is super simple. The directions were easy, and this actually came with a booklet of little recipes that I'm excited to try, even though I'm super picky. But there's some that I feel like I'll enjoy, and if not, I'm gonna season it up Latina style. The next thing you do is select menu, and you see that the first thing that's gonna light up is air fry, so you don't have to touch it. Then you turn the knob to set the temperature. I'm gonna set it at 425, okay? And then you click temp, and I'm gonna put it for, I'll do 20 minutes, and then I'll check it again and probably add on time. You can also change the time and do like 30, and then again use the top and button to even out the temperature so it's not cooking at 100% for 25 on top and on bottom. So maybe I'll do that so I can show you the magic of the NuWave Bravo XL air fryer oven. So I'm gonna do it for 30 minutes, right? Which is a really good time. And then all I have to do is press start. I don't have to do anything else. That's the beauty of this. I don't have to really check this. I am gonna chill and just wait for my chicken wings. Weeeeeeeepa. Did you hear that? Sometimes it pops. It does like a pop. Pop. I don't know why, but I'm just gonna wait for my chicken wings to hit 20 minutes. I put it on the timer, kitchen timer, and I'm gonna show you all what happens then. I wanna show you all how to change the temp from the top to the bottom, because it's super important when you want the chicken to cook thoroughly and not burn. So this is what you do. You hear that sizzling. All right, so what you do is you go to from bottom. So that's at 100% on the top, right? And then I'm gonna lower it to 40 so it doesn't burn. And then if you click again, bottom, then I'm gonna keep that at 100. And then you're done. That's all you have to do. You just go back to menu. Oh, sorry, my bad. You just go back. Oh. And then, yes, you go back to start. People, I'm a novice. Okay, so I'm going to show y'all the finished product in a little bit. But if you're interested in the NuWave Bravo XL air fryer oven, the link is in the bio. Subscribe. Back to the chicken wings. Ladies and gentlemen, the piece of resistance chicken wings. They're a little burnt, but I like them like that. Let me see them. You want to see them? Come on. Check out my chicken wings in the NuWave Bravo XL air fryer oven. Está así tan buena. Look at them. Tell me they don't look amazing. All right, y'all, that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining me. Love Suhaiti on Fall in Love with Whatever I Show You. I'm glad that you enjoyed it. Hopefully you did. Press like, share, subscribe, and check out the NuWave Bravo XL air fryer oven in the description box. The link is below, and I'm going to devour you. Mira, I'm going to devour you.